let's have a look at a couple of stocks now. And I know that you're watching. BHP is one of them. Now, you brought a weekly chart with you. It's a pretty ugly chart. If you zoom out and have a look at that red line sharply lower, what are we seeing here?
It is, look, what we call this is a very strong role reversal area. And what we refer to role reversal is an area where that was once resistance is now support. So although we wouldn't expect that, this level would hold absolutely on the first touch, we probably do expect some sort of consolidation around this $40 level. So there are two ways to look at it. A day trader or a very short-term trader could say, well, this might be a really good place for it to start potentially taking short-term attempts at the long, or even some short-term attempts if you're trading CFDs or options. But as a long-term investor who actually wants to hold BHP or potentially add to their position, this could be a really good zone to actually consolidate your position and add to it because, realistically, $40 has been a very, very strong zone for it. It's not to say that it can't go below it, but I think you've got to look at it from two ways. As an investor, it's probably a good place to start adding to your position. But as a trader, I think you've got to take a little bit more care because, as you can see, the fall from grace has been very, very sharp and nasty on BHP. And we know that it can move like a train when it does actually move. So it's a very, very important level, the $40 one. And we look at it two ways. Like we could potentially, we do a lot of short selling using options as part of our trading strategy. So you could potentially sell puts here and potentially pick it up at $38. Or you could, selling calls would be probably a dangerous area to do that because it can rebound quite sharply. But what we would be expecting is some sort of consolidation around this level. And again, if we are trading it short, we'd be looking for a bit of a change of trend on a smaller time frame, maybe a 4-hour or even a daily, where we see a series of higher peaks and higher troughs. We always let the market decide. So we let the technicals decide what is actually going to happen, and we take it from there.